Hi, my name is J.Kustoms, and I have a small business called J.Kustoms. And I want to talk to you guys about a turbo upgrade for the 6.7 powerstroke. What I purchased here is a Stage 1 KC turbo. Has a billet 63mm inducer. Also has the 10 blade turbine. The factory one is a 13 blade, which you don't get much whistle out of that. But the 10 blade is going to give it that 6.0 whistle. Also, when you purchase this turbo, you need to purchase the 2017 Plus pedestal, because the 2015 and 16 has an external oil feed line, as the new one has an internal oil feed line. It is very important to get the right gasket. 15-16 gasket does not have the oil port hole, and the 17 Plus does. So if you put the wrong gasket on, you will not have a turbo for long. And yes, there is a 6.7 powerstroke in my 1997 OBS. It's going to sound exactly the same as if it was in the Super Duty, but just with a different look. So I'm going to put this thing in and give her a whirl, or should I say whistle.